Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your DocuSign account. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into apps.docusign.com. Now, once you're in here, just go to the top. In these tabs, just click on admin. Okay. Click, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on plan and billing under account. Okay. Just click on it. Once done, go ahead over to the account right here. All right, with your account ID and site or the server. Once you have it located, as you can see here, we have the close account button. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, again, just click on close account. And it says here, closing your account will cancel your existing paid subscriptions, as well as permanently erasing all completed documents, envelope, and saved signatures. It will be closed within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, that's basically it. That's how you delete a DocuSign account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.